Hello students, hope you all are doing well and staying safe at your home. So most of the time, do you feel problem while attempting the exercises based on reported speech in CBSE examination, CBSE classes from 9th to 11th? If so, this is the video for you. Let's watch how to do those exercises during the examination. So why wait? Let's start. English Frog Club presents narration exercises. Reported speech is basically called narration. So let's see one such exercise as it appears in the CBSE examination. The question says something like this: read the following conversation and complete the passage on the basis of it. There is a conversation between two. In this case, it is Kanak and Karthik. Kanak seems to be a girl and Karthik seems to be a boy. And there is a narration after that we need to complete. There is a reported speech after that the students are required to complete. In this case, there are 4 examples and 4 fill-ups, and each fill-up carries 1 mark. So this question is for 4 mark. If we have an error in one type of in understanding of reported speech, then of course we might be losing the marks. So help you not to lose your marks in this exercise, I am going to tell you in detail how to attempt this question. So let's begin. Let's first of all see what are questions, what kind of questions are there. Questions are of 2 kinds. One is yes no question and the other is WH question. WH question are when, where, why, which, what, whose, how. The questions that starts with WH words are called WH questions. Okay, now let's first of all tackle how to deal with yes no question. Yes no question starts with the helping verb. So in order to connect this yes no question with the reporting clause, so reporting speech and reporting clause will be bind together with the words if or whether. It will be bound together with the words if or whether. Use if or whether to start your answer. Then WH questions. Let's look for WH questions. WH question starts with the WH word, and how to tackle this? Keep the WH word as it is. Keep the WH word as it is and then write in statement form. This is the main thing that we need to remember. So what is the statement form? Statement form is like you should be the sentence pattern subject plus verb. Generally it is sentence pattern. We will be using sentence pattern, that is subject plus verb, not verb plus subject as we use this in question pattern. So we need to use the sentence pattern after that. Let's see the exercise now. Okay, the question says Kanak asked Karthik blank A and then 3 idiots. In the narrative it is in the narration it is Kanak asked Karthik and we need to fill up the blank. If we look at what was there in the dialogue says Kanak, have you seen 3 idiots? So now let's first see what kind of question it is. So it starts with have, so it is a yes no question. So this question is a yes no question. So we'll start it with if or whether. Okay, we'll start it with if or whether. Okay, so let's see how to tackle it. I have supplied the answer beforehand just to tell you, explain you how to change that. So this have will be converted into if, and the other things we need to tackle are the pronouns and the verbs and the time and place elements that are there in a sentence. So let's see, this have will be converted, this have will be converted into if, and you will be converted into he, as this second person pronoun will be converted into the third person singular pronoun, because Karthik is a boy and we will be using third person singular pronoun for a male, that is he. And seen verb, this verb seen is changed into had seen. Next fill up we need to fill is Karthik replied that dash class. Now let's look for the dialogue. Karthik's, I saw them yesterday in my class. So there are lot many things to tackle in this. We need to tackle the pronoun I and the verb, and then there are again this pronoun them, my, and we need to tackle with this also, that is yesterday, that is the time word that is referred here. So this I is the first person pronoun and it will be converted into the third person pronoun, that will be he. And this saw will be, as this is in simple past, so it should be converted into past perfect. It should be converted into past perfect. And yesterday will be changed into the previous day. My will be again changed into his. Now let's see what is the answer here. The answer to this is he had seen them the day before in his class. He had seen them the day before in his class. Let's move to the next part now. Kanak further said that, let's look for the dialogue that is given in the question. Kanak, I was talking about the movie. So we need to make less changes here, that is I and was talking. I is the personal first pronoun, first person, and was talking is now past continuous. Past continuous tense will be changed into present perfect, past perfect continuous. It will be changed into past perfect continuous tense. So let's see how the changes happen. Let's see how the changes happen. So Kanak further said that she had been talking about the movie. Okay, so let's move to the next one now. The narration says Karthik replied that in the class. So the dialogue, Karthik, I thought that you were talking about the 3 idiots in the class. So here the answer is I thought that you were talking about 3 idiots in the class. The changes should happen in I, thought, and the personal pronoun you, second person pronoun you were talking. Okay, so this I will be changed into, yes, it is he. Thought should be changed into had thought, and then you will be changed into third person singular pronoun, that is she, because Karthik is a boy and now he is addressing you to Kanak. So Kanak is a girl, it will be she. And were talking, again it is past continuous tense, it will be changed into past perfect continuous tense. Now let's see how it changes. What is the answer? Let's look at the answer. So the answer says that he had thought that she had been talking about the 3 idiots, okay, in the class, because in the class is already given, so we need to give our fill up. He had thought that she had been talking about the 3 idiots in the class. Let's look at the complete question and the answers. So the first is if he had seen, second one, he had seen them the day before in the class. Yesterday is converted into the day before. She had been talking about the movie. He had thought that she had been talking about the Three Idiots. So that's all in this question. I hope you have liked the way I have taught, and if you like it, kindly subscribe my channel so that, and don't forget to share it with your friends so that they can also take benefit from my classes.